Hello, you are watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm showcasing the TM3000 Driveshaft and Universal Joint Service Manual. This manual explains in detailed text and high-quality color photographs how to service most 4x4 and 4x2 drive shafts in domestic vehicles built from the 1940s to the present. There are 16 chapters totaling 74 pages of technical content that covers drive shaft history, inspection service, exploded views, and much more. The TM3000 covers technical subjects such as balance and angles. There are 80 total pages with 74 pages of indispensable information on how to properly service and maintain your drive shaft. Get the service information you need right now to get your rig back on the road. The TM3000 should be considered a must-have for performing drive shaft service, as they are essential service information that is applicable to all shaft and joint types. These manuals are premium quality. They are spiral bound with a clear plastic cover on the front and back to open right next to you as you work on your drive shaft. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.